Tired of hearing nobody buys revolvers anymore? Yeah, not in 2025. This year, wheel guns aren't just holding ground, they're taking over display cases across the country. From snappy snub noses to full-size Magnum monsters, every gun store's got fresh stock ready to roll. And today we're counting down 27 brand new revolvers you can actually walk in and buy. These aren't collector unicorns, they're built for carry, for power, for real-world use. Some are old names back in the game, others are bold newcomers. Either way, these are the ones worth knowing and worth owning. So let's get started. Number 27, the Ruger Super Wrangler. Affordable, rugged, and chambered at both 22LR and 22WMR, the Ruger Super Wrangler is perfect for planking, training, or teaching someone new to shoot. Built on a solid alloy frame with adjustable sights, this single-action revolver feels like a classy cowboy gun with a modern touch. The dual-cylinder setup adds real value, giving you more versatility without needing a second gun. It's great for range day, small game, or just enjoying the simplicity of rimfire revolvers. In 2025, this one's back on the shelves and flying off fast. Number 26, the Simron Lightning Dual Cylinder 3220 32 H&R. Old school charm with a clever twist. The Simron Lightning Dual Cylinder brings cowboy flair to the modern range, offering both 3220 and 32 H&R Magnum in one sleek package. Its compact frame and checkered grip make it handy and comfortable to shoot, while the dual-cylinder setup gives you options based on what's available or what you feel like shooting that day. It's not just a tribute to the past, it's built for practical fun. If you've got a soft spot for Old West revolvers but want some flexibility, this one's calling your name. Number 25, Taurus 650 DAO. Small, snappy, but built for pocket carry. The Taurus 650 DAO is a hammerless .357 Magnum revolver that doesn't mess around. The double-action only trigger makes it snag-free and simple to draw. Perfect for close-range defense. It's compact enough to vanish in a waistband, but powerful enough to handle serious loads. Stainless steel construction keeps it durable, and the fixed sights mean less to worry about in a pinch. When folks who want Magnum performance in a no-nonsense frame, this is a solid pick. It's quiet in the market, but trusted where it counts. Number 24, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38. This one's built for carry, and it shows. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38 is a lightweight, no-frill snub-nose revolver with a polymer frame and an internal hammer. It's easy to conceal, quick to draw, and dead simple to operate. Chambered in 38 Special plus P, it packs enough punch for self-defense without excessive recoil. The integrated laser is a bonus for low-light aiming and fast target acquisition. Everyday carry, backup gun, or glove box duty, it's a practical pick and still one of the most trusted snubbies on store shelves in 2025. Number 23, Colt Single Action Army 2025 edition. Colt's bringing the legend back, and it still turns heads. The 2025 edition of the Single Action Army stays true to its 1873 roots. With improved internals and slick fit and finish updates, this is the gun that won the West, now made with tighter tolerance and built for another generation. Chambered in classic calibers like .45 Colt and .357 Magnum, it's perfect for cowboy action shooting, display, or just living the dream of old-school six-shooting. Don't be fooled by the vintage looks. This one's fully ready for today's range, a true icon reborn. Number 22, the Diamondback SDR 9mm. Here's something you don't see every day, a revolver that runs on 9mm without needing moon clips. The Diamondback SDR makes that possible with a smart internal extractor system. It's a 6-shot double-action revolver built with concealed carry in mind, but chambered in a common semi-auto caliber. The rubber grips feel great in hand, and the sights are easy to pick up. If you already stock 9mm and want a wheel gun that plays nice with your ammo stash, this is it. Modern, compact, and practical, a rare blend that actually works. Now, number 21, Smith & Wesson Model 20 HD, Davidson's exclusive. Old school muscle, modern attitude. A Model 20 HD is a Davidson's exclusive that brings back the legendary 38, 44, and full-in-frame glory. It's got weight, presence, and strength to handle high-pressure loads without flinching. The full lug barrel and reinforced frame gives it serious backbone. while the wood grips add the timeless revolver feel. Great for range days, hunting sidearm duty, or owning a hard-hitting piece of revolver history. Now, number 20. Ruger Super Red Hawk Alaskan. Short, stout, and absolutely unforgiving. A Super Red Hawk Alaskan is a bear defense revolver that lives up to the hype. Chambered in .44 Magnum or .454 Casull, the snub-nosed monster is meant for close-range power. Stainless steel from end to end, it shrugs off weather, wear, and recoil with ease. This chunky grip tames the bite, and the triple locking cylinder adds strength where it counts. Wilderness carry, backcountry survival, or just flexing something serious at the range. This thing roars, and it's roaring back onto gun store shelves. Number 19, Taurus 605 Executive Grade. Taurus leveled up with the Executive Grade series, and the 605 might be the standout. It's a hand-finish, snub-nosed 357 that blends function with class, complete with a tuned trigger and walnut grips that feel as good as they look. The fit is tight, the action's clean, and it carries like a dream. But it's built for those who want performance with polish, something reliable that also makes a statement. At number 19, the Ruger SP101. It is tough as nails and built to work. No gimmicks, just solid performance. It's all steel frame, gives it the weight to handle .357 Magnum without punishing your hand, yet it's still compact enough to conceal with ease. Whether you choose a short or mid-length barrel, it shoots smooth and stays balanced, perfect for home defense, truck duty, or something you can count on for the long haul. Number 17, the Taurus Defender 856 Toro. Red dot on your revolver? Yep, Taurus just did that. The Defender 856 Toro comes optics ready, straight from the factory. No gunsmith, no waiting, no slap on your micro red dot and go. Chambered in .38 Special Plus P. The 6-shot snub nose is built for concealed carry, but now with a faster target acquisition and better low-light shooting. It's compact, it's modern, and it's seriously cool. Everyday carry with a tech upgrade. In 2025, this thing is making big waves in small packages, and yes, you can find one right now. Number 16, the Ruger LCR. Don't let the looks fool you. The Ruger LCR is a beast hiding in plain sight. This little revolver features a polymer and aluminum frame with an insanely smooth double-action trigger. It's built to be featherweight and easy to shoot, even in snappy calibers like .357 or .38 plus P. You get low recoil, crisp control, and no extra bulk. Deep concealment, ankle carry, or quick bedside defense. It's one of the most carry-friendly wheel guns out there. And in 2025, it's still flying off the shelves for a reason. Now, number 15, the Spore N670 series. You might not know the name yet, but the Spore N670 is making sure you will. This revolver blends futuristic style with top-tier performance, built for serious shooters who want something different. It's clean, precise, and delivers a buttery smooth trigger pull. Great for target work or carry. It stands out without trying too hard. Spore's making waves fast, and this model is already turning heads in gun stores across the country. Now, number 14, Colt Grizzly. This is what happens when Colt lets the beast out of the cage. The Grizzly is big bore firepower done right. A .44 Magnum revolver that's part collectible, part workhorse. Think of it as the Python's wild cousin. Built heavier, louder, and ready for anything. Stainless steel construction. Full underlug and a recoil-soaking grip make it surprisingly shootable. Whether you're packing it for bear country or showing it off in the safe, the Grizzly is pure muscle, and it's making noise again. Number 13, Kimber K6XS. Kimber took everything people loved about the K6S and trimmed it down. The K6XS is lighter, thinner, and even easier to carry, but it still packs 5 rounds of .38 Special Plus P. The trigger, silky. The grip, just right for fast draws and firm control. And the build, all stainless steel. No shortcuts. Use case, it's your everyday carry when comfort matters, but you still want real stopping power. In 2025, the K6XS is winning over both new shooters and die-hard revolver fans, and it's not hard to see why. Now, number 12, Colt Viper 357 Magnum. The Viper nickname is back, and it bites harder than ever. Chambered at .357 Magnum with a sleek barrel shroud, this revolver mixes old-school Colt style with serious muscle. The action is smooth, the grip feels familiar, and the balance is spot on. Whether you're loading light .38s or full-power Magnums, it shoots like a dream. Perfect for home defense, range time, or just turning heads. The Viper isn't just back, it's making a statement. Number 11, Taurus Raging Hunter 460 S&W. Let's just say this one doesn't whisper. The Taurus Raging Hunter in 460 S&W is built for serious business. Long barrel, ported for recoil control, and a cushion grip to keep your wrist intact after each thunderous shot. This revolver is for hunters who want maximum power in a portable package. And in 460, it's one of the hardest hitting handguns you'll find in any store. Hog hunting, bear defense, or just turning heads at the range, it's not for the faint of heart, but it's in stock and it's glorious. Number 10, Smith & Wesson Model 642 Ultimate Carry. Stack-free, ultralight, and built for real-world carry, the modern 642 Ultimate Carry takes a trusted J-frame and sharpens every detail. Chambered at 38+P, it features a tuned trigger, upgraded sights, and a glare-resistant matte finish. It disappears in a pocket or holster, draws smooth, and delivers when it counts. For those who want reliable simplicity with just the right upgrades, this little revolver checks all the right boxes. Number 9, the Taurus 692 Executive. 3 calibers, 1 revolver. The Taurus 692 Executive grade is turning heads for all the right reasons. It ships with 2 cylinders, one for .357 Magnum, 38 Special, and another for 9mm. That means you've got options, whether you're plinking with 9mm or loading up heavy. The Executive polish, wood grips, and tuned trigger make it feel far more expensive than it is. Versatile range gun or classy carry revolver. If you want more than 1 caliber without more than 1 gun, the 692 Executive delivers big in 2025. Number 8, Lipsy's exclusive S&W 686 and 629. Lipsy's knows how to do exclusives right, and these customs take on the Smith & Wesson 686 and 629 are no exception. You get upgraded finishes, refined grips, and special barrel links, all paired with the legendary smooth action that S&W is known for. Whether you're into the .357 Magnum punch or of the 686 or the .44 Magnum muscle of the 629, these revolvers shoot as good as they look. Collector worthy? Absolutely. Range ready? Without a doubt. Number 7, the Smith & Wesson Model 632 Ultimate Carry. Now, this one's got attitude. The Model 632 Ultimate Carry isn't your average snub nose. It's chambered at .327 Federal Magnum, a hot little round that gives you 6 shots in a J-frame size. That's right, 6, not 5. Combine that with a slick trigger, upgraded sights, and carry-focused ergonomics, you've got one of the smartest EDC woe guns of 2025. Everyday carry for folks who want more capacity without sacrificing concealability. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and it's sitting in gun store cases all across the country. Now, number 6, the Kimber K6XS Dasa Combat. Kimber went all in with the K6S Dasa Combat, and it shows. This revolver is sleek, rugged, and delivers a trigger you'll want to keep pressing. With both double and single action options, a fiber optic front sight, and an extended grip that locks into your hand, it's built for control and confidence. Chambered at .357 Magnum, it's made for carry, range work, or serious duty use. Speed, style, and stopping power, all in one solid package. Number 5, Colt Anaconda 2024. When Colt brought back the Anaconda, it was big news. But the 2024 model, it's even bigger. Chambered at .44 Magnum with modern machining, the snake gun is smoother, stronger, and more refined than ever. Full stainless construction, vented rib barrel, and Colt's crisp DASA action. It's a dream for big bore fans. Hunting, range domination, or just putting a modern legend in your collection. It's not just a comeback, it's a proper return to power. And in 2025, the Anaconda is coiled and ready, right there on the shelf. Now, we're down to number 4, the Smith & Wesson Model 69 Combat Magnum. The Model 69 Combat Magnum proves .44 Magnum power doesn't need a giant frame. This 5-shot revolver rides on S&W's L-frame, compact enough to carry, stout enough to handle Magnum recoil. The trigger is crisp, the sights are built for action, and the grip locks in like it belongs there. Whether it's for trail defense, truck duty, or Magnum performance in a manageable size, this one delivers muscle without the bulk. 3, Colt Kodiak. This one's rare, loud, and loaded with presence. The Colt Kodiak is a big bore brute in .44 Magnum that builds off the Anaconda's frame, but adds a ported barrel and unflinching style. Originally a low production legend, Colt's brought it back for 2025 with the all-muscle and attitude it deserves. The full underlug and wide vent rib give it a beastly silhouette, and the porting helps keep your follow-up shots tighter than you'd expect. Power, prestige, and punch. All in one revolver. The Kodiak is back, and it's bringing the thunder. Coming in at number 2, the Kiappa Rhino Matchmaster 60S. The Rhino is always played by its own rules, but the Matchmaster 60S refines that rebellion. With its unique bottom cylinder firing and low-bore axis, recoil stays flat, fast, and easy to manage. The 6-inch barrel adds accuracy, while the tuned single-action trigger breaks clean for precise shots. It looks futuristic, shoots incredibly smooth, and delivers serious control. Whether you're running competition stages or lighting up targets at the range, this revolver brings speed and precision in one bold frame. It's not just different, it's built to win, and it shows every time you pull the trigger. Now, number 1, the Colt Python Blued 4.25. The king is back, and this time it's wearing deep royal blue. Colt Python Blued 4.25 blends modern CNC precision with the unmistakable Colt swagger. Chambered at 357 Magnum, it delivers flawless double-action cycling, a crisp single-action brake, and recoil control that makes Magnums feel smooth. The 4.25 barrel offers perfect balance for carry, defense, or pure range flex. It looks stunning, shoots even better, and carries an aim that commands respect. This isn't just a great revolver, it's the revolver. And among everything on the shelf today, the Python stands alone at the top. There you go. 27 new revolvers that prove the wheel gun is alive and well in 2025. Whether you're into carry guns, range toys, or heavy hitters, there's something on shelves right now with your name on it. So tell us, which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe. We've got more firepower coming your way. See you in the next one.